If you're a beginner, making a budget can be really stressful, but I'm going to make this video really easy on how to make a budget for beginners. So what you need to do right now is go grab a pen and a piece of paper, and I'll wait for you, and then we'll get this party started. Enjoy the video. All right, you have your pen and paper. So with this, it's just basic numbers. Everyone's income level is different, but a budget works for anyone. So it doesn't matter how much money you make, a budget will work for you. So this is how you start off with your paper. Like say, for example, you make $1,000 every 2 weeks. So for the whole month, you'll make $2,000. But for the first paycheck, put your $1,000 down. I'll show you what I'm doing. You have your rent, and you will have your food cost down. Like say for example, your rent is $300, your utility bills is $100, your food that you eat for that 2 weeks is $150, and then your fuel to fill up your car for 2 weeks is $50. That comes out to let me see, 300, 400, 500, 600, $600 worth of basic necessities. So you have $400 left over. And this is where it's different for everyone else. You have to figure out what you're going to do with your $400. So for your $400, you have to figure out how much you're going to pay for your phone. You know, it could be if you want to save so much money up for your eating out for the month. You know what I mean? You just have to figure out where this $400 is going to go. And then once you figure that out, it should balance out to zero. And what you should also do is get yourself some envelopes and only use cash. And whatever you have saved up, use that envelope only for that purchase. Like say for example, you have $60 out of that extra money that you want to use for going out to eat. Once that $60 is gone, you no longer can use that. Another way to help you too is like in the US, when you have your auto tags, it's like you have to pay yearly. So say for example, your tags are $300 a month, $300 for the year. To make it easier for your envelope system, all you do is divide 12 from the 300 because there's 12 months in a year. And whatever that comes out, that's how much money you just have to save up for your tags. So that way, like, if it's $300 and you divide that by 12, let me get my calculator out. Okay, $300 divided by 12. All you have to do is save up about $25 a paycheck. And that way you won't have any problems with unexpected situation when it comes to your tags. You'll have money saved because you have your envelope system. So for just this training purpose, how did you use your $400? I just want to know how you used your $400, what you would do to make your balance come out to zero for that 2 weeks. And then once you get your next paycheck, you do the budget all over again. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. If you get paid once a month, then you just have to figure out how much all your bills are, and then take that monthly income that you get and do your budget before you spend any. And that way you will be able to find out where your money's going, and you give it an assignment. A budget does not restrict you. It just allows you to know where everything's going, because a lot of times if you go out and just grab a pop here, a pop there, that's money you don't even know where it's going. But once you have a handle on the basics of this financial aspect of life, your life's going to be better. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day.